Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how to make old-fashioned coffee shop sandwich. We call it mixed sando in Japanese English, but it doesn't anything related to concrete, obviously. It's an assorted sandwich typically served in Japanese-style old-fashioned coffee shop. Today I use American Mayo, the best food. I'm going to do some taste test and adjust the taste. Let's get started. First, let's make egg filling. This boiled egg is my 10-minute boiled egg. I skipped the whole process so you can check the egg sandwich video for detailed instruction. Take out the yolk and pass through a sieve. Mix egg white, and if you want your filling silky and fluffy, do not skip this process. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of best food mayo. It is thin and light compared to EP mayo. Mix to combine and give it a taste. I think it is less salty and less tangy, and so I decided to add half a tablespoon of more mayo and just a splash of white wine vinegar. Now it tastes like Kewpie. You can adjust the taste by adding vinegar or a little bit of mayo and a pinch of salt. Set aside until used. Next, let's cut the vegetables. Rinse and pat dry the lettuce leaves. Flatten with your palm to make it easy to make into sandwich. Slice cucumber diagonally and slice tomato, and if you don't want your sandwich watery, or if you take it to your office or school as lunch, discard the seeds. Today I will eat in an hour, so I left the seeds as it is. Cream the room temperature butter and set aside. I'm going to be making 2 servings today. The ingredients are all set. Let's assemble. Take 1 slice of shokupan and spread the egg filling. Place 1 more slice on top and set aside. Apply creamed butter to one side of shokupan. What this does is, first, adding flavor. Second, avoid absorbing excess moisture from the vegetable. Place lettuce leaves and cucumber and tomato. Put a small amount of mayo as a glue and place sliced ham right on top. Apply mayo on the other slice of shokupan and place on top. Wrap in a piece of plastic tightly and place lightweight on top. And rest it for an hour in a fridge before cutting if you have time. While resting, the shokupan and ingredients stick each other and easy to cut. Cut off the crust and cut into 4. And there you have your old-fashioned coffee shop sandwich. Look at that beautiful edges. Some of you asked me why you don't cut off the before sandwich the fillings. The reason why cutting after the sandwich is made is for the beautiful presentation. Because we want the edges even, so that we have to cut after we sandwich the ingredients. The shokupan is so moist and fluffy, and egg filling is a little bit light than the EP Mayo. It tastes much better than I expected. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my kitchen. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!